Hello, friends. Do you want to know a 2-minute trading strategy that is truly effective? Today, I'm going to share one of the best strategies I use to make consistent profits. I will explain this method completely and in detail so that you can immediately apply it on your favorite platforms such as Pocket Option, IQ Option, Quotex, Olymp Trade, and Expert Option. So prepare yourself. Pay attention to every step and don't miss it. Now let's get started. First step, change the trading time to 2 minutes. Next step, use cross-signal software to help identify the best trading opportunities. This is a selection of available markets. Make sure the market you choose is available. Next step, choose a signal duration of 2 minutes. After that, equate the profit percentage with the selected market. Then click here to get the signal and follow the signal directly, for example, like this. Pay close attention to the steps because after this, I will explain in more depth how cross-signal works and how this tool can help you in trading. Okay, friends, now I have made a purchase. Before we continue, for those of you who want to download Cross-Signal, please check the link in the description. With this tool, you can get more accurate signals to increase your chances of profit in trading. So, for those of you who don't know, Cross-Signal is a real-time market analysis tool designed specifically for binary options trading, helping you earn consistent profits. With Cross-Signal, you can analyze markets and charts in real time based on the psychology of candlestick patterns, detect trading opportunities more accurate, work in the OTC market, which is often more difficult to predict without the right tools. With these advantages, Cross-Signal can be a powerful weapon to improve your trading results. Now, let's see how this trade comes to completion.